today's a big day in the life of the college, but in a special way in the hearts of every single person of the college. The concept of commitment is something that unites whatever role we play within this school. Whatever role we play at any moment within the school has some link to commitment, whether it's in the spiritual or the sporting, the academic, the musical, indeed in every aspect of college life, part of that journey. And what we celebrate today is a link to the Oblate commitment of 200 years plus ago, of the earliest Oblates, and this February date around this time was when they made their commitment. And so what we hope today is that today is a demonstration that sometimes people believe what you say, but they'll always believe what you do. And motivation is what got us started, and commitment is what will keep us going.
Parents and staff, are you resolved to supporting your sons and students in the spirit of St. Eugene, promoting the faith, nurturing the dignity and respect, catering for their needs, teaching them purposefully, living by exemplary values, and assisting them to flourish through your positive relationships as partners in their well-being?